Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist. In this video I want to show you how you can use the Clipboard history. It's actually a very good tool in case that you are copying stuff from websites, from other documents. It keeps your copying history, okay? All the items are kept in one place. It's a very handy tool in Windows. So I'm going to show you how you can enable that, okay? So if you go to Start, click on Start on Windows left hand side. Of course, go to your settings, okay, and then on the left hand side go to System. Now if you scroll down, the option Clipboard, okay, Clipboard, click on that. Now I have on the top already enabled this part, okay, so if you just put that on, that will enable for you the Clipboard history. So let's have a look how this works. So if we're gonna minimize the settings, so we are on my website here, on our website. So for example, I want to copy this. I'm gonna open this article, and I'm going to copy this part, for example. Okay, so I'm gonna press on the keyboard Ctrl+C, so that's copying. Okay, or you can just right-click and then copy. Right-click on mouse and then copy. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy this text as well. So right-click, copy. And maybe this picture, copy image, okay? So if I press now Windows key and letter V on the keyboard, V for Victoria, okay? That what comes up, the clipboard history. So whatever I selected, I've copied, it comes in here. So if I want to paste some of the stuff in other document, let's say I want to put it into a Word document, I'm gonna open it here. And then I'm gonna press Ctrl+V or just option right click and then option paste. So that's the picture, okay? But I want to select I want to select as well the text. So I'm just gonna press Windows key and letter V for Victoria. That what comes up. So I'm gonna choose this one now, okay? So that comes in here and puts the history, puts the other text that I have in my clipboard history. And then if I want to do it again, the other text, I'm just gonna do the same, Windows key and V, and then I have this title of the gigantic Microsoft leak. Okay, actually it's very interesting to read this if you are a fan of the Xbox. So yeah, that's how it works. Of course, what you can do, it actually keeps the history of everything that you copy, even if you do the screenshots, any other stuff as well from the websites, from different programs. It keeps the history. It's very handy in case that you lose something, or maybe you just you've copied some other text from other document, and then, for example, it was removed or deleted. Then you can just go back to the history and just use this tool in Windows. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Of course, please subscribe to my channel. Of course, like the video, please. I would like to grow my community. I wish I could grow some community as well, subscribers. That'd be great, guys. Of course, have a look on the website. I have some very nice articles, news and tech guides as well on my website. And yeah, that'd be great if you can subscribe to the website as well. Thanks very much for watching. Okay, take care, bye bye.